Hi, I'm Karim Rahimtullah. I'm the co-founder of The War Room, and I work with Brian Bottarelli every day. In our Simply Explain, Simply Answer series, which I'm going to participate in with Brian, I'm going to go through a bunch of different strategies, different ideas that we use in The War Room, and I'm going to explain them to you so they're easily understandable and you can put them into action every single day. So today, I'm going to cover limit orders. A limit order is a really simple order, and it's the only type of order you should ever use. Again, ever use. Limit order, nothing else. Don't even think about another type of order. You know why? Because if you do another order, you're going to get fleeced by the market makers. They're going to take you to the cleaners, okay? So just use a limit order. When you use a limit order, what you're saying is I'm going to buy or sell a stock or an option at a specific price. End of story. Okay, if you put a market price in there, you're going to get filled at whatever price they want you to pay, not what you want to pay. So this is one of the most critical things in trading, any kind of trading, whether you're trading stocks, options, whether you're doing a strangle, a spread, whatever type of strategy, limit orders only. Anything else is a no. And there you have it. So for more information, please click on the description, that link below, and every single day you'll get Trade of the Day, where we offer daily trading advice and lots more. Thanks for joining us.